Simple way to earn free crypto without financial investment and with minimum effort. Step number 1. Download the Blade app on your mobile device. Step number 2. Remember to create and set up your account on Blade and keep your passphrase safely. You will require that passphrase to access your account in future. Step number 3. Link your Blade account with your ERC20 wallet address. Step number 4. Do your KYC and submit the same. Step number 5. You can now perform simple tasks on the Blade Task Marketplace, such as subscribing to adbank's YouTube channel, among others. It's as easy as it sounds. Remember to share, subscribe, and of course, follow this channel to get more updates on how you can win big with adbank. The self-serve platform is coming soon to grow your personal brand and business to the next level.